The word Hooponopono means to clean, to clear, to release. I am divine. I return to zero. If you want to reduce the intensity of an emotion like fear, make sure, what does this circle signify? This circle signifies the zero state. Ever wondered? Your mind is like a browser with 50 tabs open and you don't even know which one is playing the music. There's confusion, there's information overload, there's stress, anxiety, a feeling of being overwhelmed with so much happening around you. That's exactly what happens with us in our lives. There's so much happening around, within and around us, that we tend to feel we're not in control of the situations. We tend to feel anxious most of the times. We tend to be confused about what action steps to take. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how the beautiful problem-solving technique called Hooponopono can work like a factory reset for your brain and subconscious mind. It can go a long way in helping us go within and release a lot of these fear-based scripts we've been carrying, and perhaps scripts we are not even aware of. Let's get started. Hooponopono is a Hawaiian problem-solving technique. The word Hooponopono means to clean, to clear, to release. What are we trying to free ourselves from? It is the thoughts, the feelings, perhaps imprints of actions we have taken in the past. This life, we don't know how many lives we have previously lived. But because energy cannot be destroyed, chances are we have come with data, and then along the way, as we were growing up, we have picked up even more and more data. Now, because there's so much happening inside our subconscious mind, every time something on the outside happens in my environment, before I realize, I'm already acting on an idea, thought, or feeling. And that idea, thought, or feeling was not even something I got the time to reflect on. I simply acted on it because 90 to 95% of my reactions, my trigger points itself are coming from my subconscious mind. So Hooponopono is a process to connect with your subconscious mind. We know that there is a lot going on inside. So we want to find a way to ease the mind, to bring the mind to a point of peace and relaxation. While there could be so many problems happening around us, we want to find a way to make our mind stable. Why? Because if the mind is not stable, automatically the power to think in those critical situations, the power to act in a timely manner goes away. We lose important, good opportunities that could bring us joy and healing. And that's what we are learning to correct through this video. The subconscious mind is like a small child. It only accepts. It doesn't know how to reject. So because it accepts everything, if we become conscious parents and feed it love, safety, security, and joy, it will start to follow these very energies and connect with us in a like manner. Today, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn a very important tool in Hooponopono to release heavy energy, perhaps a problem which has been with us for a long time, which makes us feel very fearful. Perhaps it is to do with you or maybe a loved one, and you don't know how to deal with it because it makes you very nervous, stressed, panicky, anxious. Here's what I want you to practice. Firstly, on a piece of paper, I want you to stop running away from that problem or emotion, but to instead acknowledge how that problem or situation is making you feel. For example, I have on a piece of paper here the word fear written. I've written this emotion down to help you understand that if this is an emotion dominant within you, it is never going to allow you to come from peace, security, and love. Because every other negative emotion, even anger and frustration, come from fear. Out of fear, you will see even animals attack each other. Out of fear, human beings will even attack each other because they feel they are in danger. When the nervous system is in the danger mode and zone, it will constantly keep you alert and expect problems in your life. When you reach a stage where you're only expecting problems, you stop trusting life, you stop trusting other people. And so, if you want to reduce the intensity of an emotion like fear, make sure you have put it down. Same manner as I've written it. Now, below this emotion, you can even write a situation that makes you feel uneasy. Let's say it is fear about losing your job. It is fear about losing an important opportunity. It is fear about losing a relationship. Make sure in 1 or 2 lines, very briefly, you have put down what is the situation that is causing you fear. Now that you have put the emotion and the situation briefly down, start looking at that piece of paper. Hold it with your both hands. Take a pen in your hand, just as I am taking one right now, and try to put a cross over that emotion. For example, you can see I have put a cross over. I have put a cancel sign over this emotion of fear that I have put down on this piece of paper. Now, as we have put a cross, we have sent a message to the subconscious mind. This is not what we want. This is not who we are. So, the very fact and moment that the cross is coming on that emotion, the intensity of that emotion you will notice will come down. For example, if you were breathing very heavily, you will notice that you're feeling a little lighter. Not completely okay maybe, but lighter. Because this cross signifies metaphysically cancellation. Without cancellation, there can be no purification. First, we have to neutralize the energy. And who neutralizes the energy within us? You see, in Hooponopono philosophy, it is our job to simply convince the subconscious mind to let go. As the memories get freed up, the divine energy within us takes up these memories and neutralizes them. So as I'm putting a cross, I'm signifying to my subconscious mind, hey, cancellation is possible. Why don't you start releasing? Why don't you start letting go? It's a sign I'm sending to my inner child that we can do this. We can release and the divine will free up. The divine will neutralize, cancel, and then purify our energy. So now that we have put a cross, as you have put a cross, you will see a sense of relief coming within you. Take a deep breath. Release and exhale through your mouth. Now, over that cross, I want you to put a big 0. That means a big circle over the cross. What does this circle signify? This circle signifies the 0 state. You see, in Hooponopono, we are constantly referring a state of mind where there are not memories disturbing us, where we are not coming from the past, as a state called 0. In Buddhism, we call it void. In Hinduism, we say light, just pure light consciousness. So, as we put the 0 over the cross on that very negative emotion, we are reminding ourselves, I am divine, I return to 0. I am divine, I return to 0. I am divine, I return to 0. These words are cleaning tools in Hooponopono that help us teach our subconscious mind to not hold on, but to offer to the divine. So, the next time that you feel very heavy with an emotion, especially with an emotion like fear, write it down, and over this emotion, you can put a cross, put a 0, and repeat a few times the cleaning tool, I am divine, I return to 0. I am divine, I return to 0. Now you can do the same thing even over the short description of the problem that you are experiencing. The same thing. Put a cross, put a 0 over it, repeat a few times. I am divine, I return to 0. This is a beautiful cleaning tool in Hooponopono to teach the subconscious mind to trust the divine, to trust the flow of life, to do our bit to offer these memories for release. So many of my students have come back and told me, by using the cleaning words, I am divine, I return to zero, they feel that they are returning to peace, to love, to divinity, to freedom. And when you actually get that feeling that I am returning to who I am, which is my divine self, there is more power now in your words. There's more conviction and faith in all the actions you take. You'll automatically notice that your emotions are far more regulated. You can do this practice a few times in the day. Whenever you especially feel a sense of heaviness, you feel very uneasy, you can repeat it several times in the day if required. But make sure every time you have put the emotion and briefly put the problem on paper, you have completed the practice by putting a cross and a zero, and you can then tear the paper and discard the paper. You don't need to overdo this tool. Just as we are in the habit of overdoing every practice thinking, I do more of it, result will come faster. Hooponopono is not about result. It's not about intentions. So don't do this simply because you feel, oh, I will release faster and I will get more results, so I'll keep writing fear, fear, fear. If you are not feeling it, don't write it. Write it only when there is a sense of heaviness. You don't need to overdo it. And remember, never leave the paper after writing the emotion and doing the practice on your bed, on your table, desk. Please discard the paper after writing it. You can do it just once a day, and you will notice that emotions are coming under your control. You will notice how you are rewriting the scripts inside your subconscious mind. And the only script that you're replacing old script with is, I am divine. I belong to God. Only God is mine. You start connecting with the virtues that God stands for. Love, peace, joy, freedom. Nothing more. Because that's who you are. You and I have come here to experience that we are divine. And Hooponopono practice, especially this cleaning tool, is a beautiful way to experience that connection with God, with all of life, with who you really are. Comment, I am willing, if you are ready to try this beautiful cleaning practice to release past emotions and triggers. Don't forget to send me a screenshot of this cleaning practice. Tag me on Instagram, and let's inspire each other to clean, clear, release and heal. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.